party.
Best financing offer ever from Gallery Furniture with your good credit up to 60 months. No interest financing. Convenient same-day delivery. See store for details. And Gallery Furniture has a fabulous second chance financing program. No money down. Gallery Furniture, of course, conveniently delivers today.
At Navy Federal Credit Union, our members are the mission, which means we can help Susan and Phoenix kick off Operation...
Setting up a savings account at sunrise. Because when my day is filled with getting my kids to school, going to work, getting my kids to practice, homework, and making dinner, I have to fit finances in somewhere.
It means we're here for David in San Diego as he starts Operation...
Depositing these checks from my phone so I can put money in the paying bills account, the Tyler's Got to Eat at College account, and the rainy day account. All without leaving my desk.
And it means we're ready to get Dan going with Operation...
Find someone that puts my goals first. I'm headed towards retirement, and I need to make sure my savings are with the right people. I need someone that works as hard as I have.
Our members have many different missions. With our 24/7 stateside member support.
Thanks, guys.
And free checking account options, we can help with all of them. To learn more, visit us at NavyFederal.org. Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission. Open to the Armed Forces, the DoD, veterans, and their families. Insured by NCUA. Message and data rates may apply.
At Simple Mobile, you get the no-contract advantage. Unlimited talk and text plus 3 gigabytes of high-speed data now for $20 a month for the first 3 months. Just $20 a month on a lightning-fast 4G LTE nationwide network and no contract. That's our best deal ever. Learn more at SimpleMobile.com. Simple Mobile. Out with the old, in with the simple.
Requires new auto re-up enrollment by 6/30/19. $23.75 per month after first 3 months. Credit card and Simple Mobile account required for enrollment, plus taxes and fees. See terms and conditions at SimpleMobile.com.
The weather's heating up, which means it's the perfect time to get that next job done. At AutoZone...